What's going on, y'all? So I wanted to make a quick video. It is the 4th of July here. As you can see, I got my 4th of July shirt on. But as the 4th of July, you know the market is closed. So I'm giving you some tips, some things that you could do on your off day if you don't have to work. You can always get on the charts. You can always improve your chart. You can always work on finding up setups. You can always get on the stock market and find out who has earnings coming up. What stocks may rise, what stocks may fall, what stocks may have good earnings, what stocks may not. When I have time off, what I do, I like to get on my charts. I like to do my charting. If it's a certain stock that you've been watching for the week, then find out if they got anything coming up for next month, if they got anything coming up for the next 2 months. What does this week look like for them? Now, one thing that I love to do, I love to chart my stocks. That way I know where they're going, I know where the support is, and I know where the resistance is. You could do that on a day like this where you could chart the stock, know what it did yesterday, know where the high was yesterday, know where the bottom was the previous day. So that way tomorrow, you may know where this may try to retest or where the stock may fall to or where the stock may gain some support. I highly recommend that you take some time on your day off when the stock market is closed to keep learning, because everything is a learning experience with stocks and with the market. Also with your platform. You can learn something new. You can find a new tool to use. You can find a new way to see your charts better. I noticed that on my charts, sometimes they would get cluttered. I want it to look clear. I want to be able to see things because when you're moving with the market, it's moving fast. So you want a clear chart. I like to create a 3 chart. So I'll have one right here. That'd be the 1 minute. Then I have the 3 minute. Then I have the 5 minute. I use that chart when I'm doing pre-market or aftermarket trades because I need to get in quick and I need to get out. I'm not looking for it to be a 15-minute or 20-minute or 20-day chart frame because I'm getting in stock and I'm getting out. So those are the type of things that you want to work on. Now, with Thinkorswim, I like to set up my chart where I have my chart here where I can see where the chart is going. And over here, I have my active trader on. So I know how much money I'm making, how much money I'm losing, and I got my smart buttons at top where I can easily get in and get out. So those are some things that I suggest that you do because when we're trading, we got to work fast and we got to work smarter, not harder. So on a day like this, when the market is closed, those are just some tips that you can do to make yourself better as a trader. You can also work on your list, work on your rules. We all have to have rules as a trader. What makes us lose, write them down because those are the rules that you're not going to do again. So if you lost because you were trying to be greedy and then you was thinking you were going to make more and you had percentage, you had profit, but you didn't take it. And then the stock went down and you lost and didn't have a stop loss on. Those are your rules. Write those down and never do them again. If you complete those rules and write them down and stick to your rules, I guarantee you'll be a profitable trader. Now, over the weekend, when I had my day off, I had time to create a great guide. In this guide, I show you exactly how I trade. I show you how to read my chart, how to read my Discord, how to read everything, how to follow my plays, follow my alerts. This is a great guide. Also, I threw in my gems, things that will help you move along quickly as a trader, learn stocks and learn options. I mean, this guide is simple and you can do it all under an hour. So that's how easy it is. And I'm going to put that link below. So make sure you check it out. If you're seeing me in my community, you hopped on a Discord and you're still confused, don't know what's going on, don't know how to read the plays, don't know what options or stocks is, you're confused of what you're seeing, you don't understand, you don't know the lingo, you don't know how to follow my alerts, you do not just know what I'm doing and how I'm making this money and how I'm profiting on a daily, then I highly suggest that you look down below, click that link and check out my guide. It will get you through it and you will be a better trader. So make sure you hit the like button because that gets me out there to new people. That pushes me out through the market and gets me through the YouTube atmosphere to reach traders like you and people that want to learn. Then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video because I'm working on a play that's going to play out in the upcoming months and I want you to be a part of it.